Hi, Deirdre here, and I'm just going to show you how to use filters. So the first thing I need to do is to make sure that I create myself a table. And Excel works an awful lot with tables. So when you're laying out data in Excel, it's really important that you lay it out in a format that Excel likes to use. And that is that you have the headings along the top, and there's no blank rows and there's no blank columns. At the moment, you can see we have a blank row here, okay? And Excel won't link the heading here with the main bit here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this, right mouse click and delete to get rid of that. And you can see here, this is a whole blank column. So I'm going to get rid of this as well. So right mouse click and delete to get rid of that. Now it's set up correctly as a table. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go to data and filter. And when I do that, I just had one cell selected in the area. It now puts these little drop downs over the side. Okay, so the next thing we're asked to do is how many bikes are made by BMX. So BMX is a type of brand. So over here, we're going to choose brand, okay, and get rid of select all, because at the moment, all of the brands are selected. So let's untick select all, and we'll just single select BMX. We could have gone round and unticked all of them individually, but it's much easier just to click on the select all, and that switches them on and switches them off, and click on OK. And now you can see we're only looking at the BMX bikes. Now down the bottom, you can see 7 of 45 records found. So in here, I'm just going to type in the number 7 and press enter, and it'll tell you whether you're correct or not. So over here on the data tab, I'm going to clear that. And so I'm back to, and I'm seeing everything again. The next thing I've been asked to do is find out how many products are costing less than €100. So in here, in the price area, we're going to go to number filter, and we're going to say less than, and then type in 100 and click on OK. And I can see that there are 17 down the bottom left. It says 17 of 45 records. So I'm going to type in here 17, and you can see that's correct as well. So that's perfect. That's us done with this sheet. So I'm just going to take off the filters there. So we're now back to the whole sheet. And you can see, because of my row numbers, again, here are black. So for example, when I had just BMX selected, you can see the row numbers were blue. And when I clear it, my row numbers are black again. And I know that everything is clear.